Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Brandon with Car Fleet here. Today's video we're going to be doing a bunch of little things to the Ram. I tend not to film when I'm doing stuff that's not like a major project, but I think I'm going to start doing that because you guys love the Ram content. We got 3 things we need to do. I got some decals for the doors. If you guys don't follow my Instagram, make sure you do. You guys can vote on stuff I do to the Ram. I voted if I should put my logos on my doors, and you guys just blew it out of the park with like 60 to 4 or something like that. So I got them on my doors. I got the stickers. I'm gonna go grab them. We're gonna do an oil change on the Ram, and we are going to silicone those new taillights that I got and put them back on. So I took them off. I'm gonna seal them completely this time. No cracks or anything, so no water will get in. Let's start with the logos, guys. Alrighty, so here they are. Shout out Steve at Iconic Cars. He hooked me up. He gave me 3. Super nice guy. We got an extra, so that's perfect. Let's see how it lines up here. Obviously, you can't really do any justice with this, but it looks so quick. It looks so good. Sick logo right on the door. Perfect. I really appreciate that, Steve, if you're watching. Thank you so much. We are going to pull it to the end, dry off the door, and throw it on. 1 on each front door. So if you guys haven't seen last video, make sure you check it out. I made these crazy fender armor thingamajiggies for this fenders up front. And I know for doing this video, you guys are gonna want to see a cold start, obviously. So let's fire up. Oh, door is squeaky. The key in there. I also picked up shackle mounts, 2 of them for the front here. We're gonna weld them on right like that. Beauty. And it'll also make the front not as flat. It looks super flat right now, but with these it'll make that better, and we'll have a really good spot to tow from. I just got to make sure I weld them properly. Yeah, we got 2 of those. The shackle, got the Timmy's donut, the dream donut. Hey, there we go, baby. Got the sticker on. I realized how bad I am at doing these. So many bubbles. I gotta work them out. I'll get a heat gun and stuff, but it looks pretty cool. So this is all gonna be black from here down. We're gonna use like a stubble coat. All the armor we've done needs to be stubble coated still, like bed line, whatever you wanna call it. That's just temporary. I can't get the Ram in the shop. It's super close. It just is too big to squeeze in when the Bronco's here. I don't have any dry time right now. BC's been going wild, raining like crazy out here. So got the first one on. We're gonna do the other side. Looks pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. You can see the difference in white though. Sorry, not with a sticker, but how dirty it is. I have cleaned this off, but I didn't even know, like when you look at it, you just think it's like that color, but it's actually pretty clean paint once you work out the dirt. All right, let's do the other side. I nailed this side, guys. Nailed this one. There's like 2 bubbles. Really good. It's obviously second time. The first time in a long time I had to put a sticker on. I'll try to get a heat gun and work some of those bubbles out. I think I'm gonna go run up to the local car wash and give this thing a rinse, because I always drive on this and it's just dirty 24/7. So wouldn't hurt to give it a little spray down here. Also, we still need to patch this brutal rust hole. That's gonna keep getting worse if I don't patch it. For the taillights, guys, I gooped everything. Every little thing I could find, all the screws, all the little LED things, everything's gooped. When I put these in, when I put it on the truck, these are gonna get gooped as well and be in there for good. And we shouldn't have any more leaks, hopefully. This is all just drying right now, and then we're gonna goop those too. And it should be good. I'm really hoping they work out. If that doesn't work, then I just don't really care at that point. Hopefully we get the bed off and have different taillights soon anyways. Out to the oil change, guys. 3rd one on the list. We got our little mats to lay on. It is raining, but it's super simple. I've done it multiple times. Using the orange can of death, that some of you like to call it. Funny story, I actually got hated on for using it, which I'm not sure what the reason is behind that. On my top 5 mods video, someone was giving me a hard time for using that oil filter. and I'm not really sure why. Like I've used them my whole life with every vehicle, and when at my old shop we used them in every vehicle. So I don't know what is wrong with them, but I guess people are just like that, kind of hating on my style, you know. So we're rocking the Castrol DTX. We got 6 liters here, and we are going to drain the oil from the Ram. Not fun in the rain though, but we got to do it before I start my busy week at work. All right guys, so just a 13 on there, and then you're going to break it loose. See if I can with my, ow. Oh, how stupid, man, stupid. Should go with my right hand. I got the old thumb there. I love when that happens, eh? But it's loose. Center our pan here, and we'll watch the flow. See how the oil looks here, if there's any chunks coming out, because I've been going too hard in the paint. A little black. It's been overdue like a few kilometers, not like thousands. But I'll let it drain, guys, and we'll see. You can see the little orange filter through there. Just take that guy out too, and we are golden. Let's let this guy drain. So for the filter, guys, going in right here and then reaching up with your right hand makes it really easy to get the filter out. As you can see, we got the oil in the filter out. It's good oil. I've been really on top of making sure I do my oil changes, just because of the Hemi tick and stuff. I don't want that to ever happen. The real Hemi tick, not the exhaust manifolds. But we're gonna throw the oil in, guys. So guys, that is the oil change complete. Took about 6.5 to 7 liters of oil to get it done up there. I'm actually gonna write that in the engine bay because I always forget. But that's something good to just have, so you know you can just throw the right amount in right away, fire it up. Yeah guys, that's gonna be it for the video. This is kind of like a weekend at home for me, just kind of doing some stuff here and there. I do stuff like this all the time. Like if I don't record a video about my truck, that doesn't mean I didn't do anything to it. Like every weekend, if I'm home, I'm working on the trucks. I just don't really document it, but I think I'm gonna start just the little things. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, and I will continue to do like more vlogish stuff, I guess, because it's not really one big project. But I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.